Good evening.
Very good evening, sir.
Thank you. Give me the book. Okay. Today I am going to ask you some basic questions. You need to get satisfactory answer to that questions. Okay. So I am going to ask you very basic like some grammar part about their the precision or you can say kinds. Only I will ask you very basic question, but you have to give satisfactory answer. Okay. So first, it's your time. First, you tell me your name
My name is Alavi.
and your name is.
My name is Shahidul.
Okay, this is Mr. Habib. I'm an English teacher. Okay, Shahidul, tell me what's language?
The sound which express a sense is called language.
The sound which express a sense,
Sense.
complete sense, is called
A language.
language. Is called a language. Very good answer. So it's your turn. You tell me what is grammar.
The rules of speaking, reading, writing of a language correctly is called grammar.
Very good. The rules of speaking, reading, writing a language correctly is called
grammar.
grammar. Very good. Okay. Now you tell me what is letter.
A letter is a sign which is used to writing a sound.
Very good. But you can say like that. A letter is a symbol or sign. A letter is a symbol or sign which is used in writing sound. That's more polite. What did I say? A letter is a symbol or sign which is used in writing sound. Okay. Then you tell me like what is called alphabet.
All letters together are called alphabet.
Very good. All letters together
Are called
alphabets. Okay. Now it's your turn. You tell me what is vowel.
Vowel. The letter which are self pronounced or pronounced without the help of other letters are called vowel.
Very good answer. The letters which are self-pronounced or pronounced without the help of other letters are called
Vowel.
vowel. Very good answer. That's nice answer. Thank you for your nice answer. And this question for both of you, it's free. Okay, anyone can give answer. Huh? Okay, now tell me like what is syllable?
Syllable. The portion
One by one. First you tell.
the portion of word which is pronounced at a time is called a syllable.
Very good. A portion of a word. What did you say? A portion of a word which is used at a time is called
A syllable.
a syllable. Okay. So can you please tell me syllables are how many kinds?
Syllables are 4 kinds:
They are
monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, and polysyllable.
monosyllable,
Disyllable,
trisyllable, and
polysyllable.
sentence.
A sentence is a group of words which has a meaning.
Okay, you can tell.
The sentence is a group of words which express a meaning.
Very good. A sentence is a group of words which can express a complete sense or meaning. Very good. So, in a sentence, 2 things are mandatory. There are 2 things. These are mandatory in a sentence. What are them?
Subject and predicate.
Predicate. In a sentence, subject and predicate are mandatory. There must have a subject and predicate. Thank you. Now, tell me, sentence are how many types?
Sentences are 2 types.
They are
According to the meaning, according to the structure.
okay. So according to the meaning, sentences are how?
5 kinds.
Very good. 5 kinds. You tell. According to the meaning, sentences are how many kinds?
5 kinds.
According to the meaning, sentences are
Five
5 kinds. They are
Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory.
very good. Okay. Now you tell me. According to the structure, sentences are how many kinds?
According to the structure, sentences are 3 kinds.
You have to say sentences are
3
3
kinds.
kinds. They are
Simple, complex, and compound.
simple, complex,
And
and
compound.
compound. Very good. Okay. Now you tell what is subject and what is predicate.
Subject. The subject is a person or thing about whom or which something is said.
Okay, about whom or which. Like a subject is something or someone whom about something is told, or who is doing the action. Whom about something is told or who is doing the action is
Action.
called subject. You tell what is predicate. If you find any difficulties, then you tell.
What is said about the subject is called the predicate.
What is
Said
said about a subject is called
the predicate.
predicate. So subject and predicate, it's over. Now kind of sentence. Okay, already you have done it also. So now you tell me what is called part of speech. What is called
Each
parts
and
of
every
speech?
word in a sentence is called part of speech.
Each and every word in a sentence is called part of speech. Now you tell parts of speech are how many kinds?
8 kinds.
You need to give full answer.
Part of speech are 8 kinds.
You tell again.
Parts of speech are 8 kinds.
They are
Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
very good. All answer. Now you tell me what is called noun.
Noun is the name of anything.
Very good. You tell what is pronoun.
What is we use instead of noun is called pronoun.
No, that's not correct. Grammatically correct. Tell me again. What we
use instead of noun is called pronoun.
what we use instead of noun is called
Pronoun.
pronoun. Very good. You tell pronouns are how many kinds? You tell.
Pronoun are 7 kinds.
No. Pronouns are how many kinds?
8 kinds.
8 kinds. Pronouns are how many kinds?
8 kinds.
8 kinds. Okay. So what is verb?
A verb is a action.
What is verb?
A verb is an action.
Verb is an
Action.
action. Very good. So what is called adjective?
Adjective. Adjective, the letter which
No, adjective is not a letter.
the
It's a
the
word.
The word which is about the quantity, quality, situation, and condition about the noun or pronoun is called adjective.
Okay. An adjective is a word which express quality, quantity, number, situation, condition of a noun or pronoun is called
Adjective.
adjective. Very good. So adjective, then what is called adverb?
The word that modify a noun, adjective, and another adverb is called a adverb.
An adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb is called
Adverb.
Adverb.
adverb. Okay. So what is preposition?
Preposition. Preposition.
Say loudly. You tell what is called preposition. Okay, I'm going to teach you what is called preposition. It's a little bit complex. The word which is used before a noun or pronoun to shows its relation with another words in the sentence is called parts.
Pronoun.
Parts
Preposition.
of preposition. It's called preposition. It's called
Preposition.
preposition. Okay. So prepositions are how many kinds?
7 kinds.
Prepositions are
Seven
kinds.
kinds.
Can you please tell me what are them? Simple preposition.
Simple preposition, double preposition, complex preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, detached preposition,
And disguise
disguise
preposition.
preposition.
Very good. Wonderful. Okay. So conjunction. What is called conjunction? Who will give the answer?
conjunction. Conjunction.
A conjunction is a word
Conjunction is a word which join
joins. Which or that joins
two
two words,
two words,
phrase
phrase,
or sentence
sentence.
together. Very good. And what is called an interjection?
An interjection is a word which is about a last, which is
Okay, you can say that an interjection is a word that express the sudden feeling of mind.
mind.
An interjection is a word that express the sudden feeling of mind. Thank you for giving satisfactory answer. That's all for today. Keep fine. Bye.